Hey guys, it's Vinamra here from the Fountain Pen Guy back with another video. Today in this video, we are going to unbox the Sheaffer 300 fountain pen. This fountain pen is a premium fountain pen and it comes under the premium range of fountain pens. So we'll unbox it and it's quite famous also. It's quite renowned and it comes from a renowned company which is Sheaffer. So we'll unbox it, we'll look at the packaging experience and the overall experience of the fountain pen. We'll have a physical overview as well as we'll check the box contents as well as we'll also have a writing sample of this fountain pen. So let's start with the unboxing video of the Sheaffer 9325 fountain pen. So over here I have the Sheaffer box with me. It's a standard Sheaffer box comes with all the fountain pens. You must have seen it in the VFM unboxing video. So this is the Sheaffer box. On the back we have something named as, okay, we have sheaffer.com and then we have something like scratch to get the secret code scratch here. It's by William Penn. So I bought this fountain pen from William Penn. I actually bought it on my birthday. So let's open the box. So the first thing what we have is the Sheaffer fountain pen, which is in black and golden trim. So I'll keep this to a side. I'll remove this up. And what we have over here is the Sheaffer use and care guide 1-year warranty, one black cartridge and another black cartridge. This black cartridge is from the Slovakia series of Sheaffer cartridges, Slovenia. So if you can read this, Sheaffer Slovenia. So that is what it is. And this is the use and care guide warranty and also. So do note that this fountain pen comes with 1 year of premium warranty from Sheaffer. If you see at the back, it should be like signed officially by William Penn and it should have a quality check. Do see this before you are buying so that like you are sure about the warranty and all these other things. It also mentions the product name and everything like that. So that is what we have over here. I'll keep this to a side and we'll have a look at the fountain pen itself. So this is what we have in the plastic cover. I'll remove this and I'll keep this to a side. So here we go, straight out of the box. Yeah, so this is the fountain pen, the Sheaffer 9325 300 series 1 fountain pen. It's in a black and a golden trim. You can see the golden base, the golden O-ring section, the golden clip and everything like that. All these small detailing which Sheaffer has done. The first thing we observe is Sheaffer branding out here. And that is what the fountain pen is. So now the costing of this fountain pen is rupees 3,950. You can engrave something on your fountain pen also with an additional cost so that you can gift it to someone and make it a little more personalized. I have one more Sheaffer fountain pen over here, which is the Sheaffer Sagaris 9372 fountain pen. Again, this is like a Sheaffer premium series fountain pen. In fact, it is more expensive than the Sheaffer 9325, which is, this is for 4,070 rupees on the official website of William Penn. And you can also engrave something on this. This is in like the silver trim. So if you see, I have engraved fountain pen guy out here. So that is what it is. And like this is in terms of diameter, this is a little thinner and all, and it is a little smaller comparatively. So let's start with a physical overview of the 9325 fountain pen. So here we go. This is the clip, a clip with the typical Sheaffer thing on the white bottom out here. I think that's like a roll stop or something like that. And this is the clip. It's quite flexible. It's a very good clip, gold plated. Then we have Sheaffer branding out here on the middle section. It's a complete lacquer finish kind of a body. It's very glossy also, to be noted. Let's unscrew the cap and let's see what it is. So we have the Sheaffer standard nib, which is in fine. It's a gold plated and it's a silver and a gold plated nib. Then we have the resin grip over here. This is made up of resin. Then we have the bands out here. This is the O-ring and everything. We'll unscrew the nib section and we can see a standard international converter out here. So this is a standard international converter what Sheaffer provides us with all their fountain pens as well as 2 cartridges. So this can accept standard international converter for bottling and it can accept standard international cartridges. So that's again a good thing in terms of various things what we have. So yeah, that's it for the physical overview of the fountain pen. To be noted that the grip section is made up of resin, and the other complete, like the body, is made up of lacquer finish. It's like a premium good enough body which is very durable for me. I think it's a little glossy, so it might get scratched, so you can note that also. Now we'll just have a look at the writing sample of the fountain pen, since we've noted all these things which are some important things about the fountain pen. Let's have a look at the writing sample of the fountain pen and let's understand how the pen performs. We'll have a writing sample on the Rhodia 80 gram dot pad. Now let's start with the writing sample of the Sheaffer 300 fountain pen. I have the Rhodia 80 gram dot pad with me. So let's start with the writing sample. I have inked this fountain pen with the Sheaffer Standard International Slovenia black cartridges, which came with the box itself. We'll have a look at the writing sample now. You should generally not use it posted, this fountain pen, as mentioned on their website also, because it becomes a little heavy. Sheaffer 300 fountain. It's pretty good, it's pretty smooth. It has a little bit of feedback also. Let's do a little bit of sheening. Understand like the wetness. Yeah, it's pretty wet also. A little bit of line variation. Yeah, I'll do a little bit of reverse writing. Reverse writing is pretty bad and not at all recommended on any fountain pen actually. Especially on this fountain pen, not at all. I'll write the quote. Yeah, so that's it for the writing sample. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. I shall see you in my next unboxing video or any other video which is coming up.